Hey, good morning, everyone. It's JJ here, microefutures.com, November 17th, Friday. Just wanted to take you on a little tour of how gaps are created. For example, if we were to open right now in this market, we would open on a gap because there's yesterday's high and we'd open on a gap above, which indicates that there's a change of business. What that means is that people are trapped short when the market took the previous day's high. This allows traders who are long from 45.24 to sell their goods during the night market between 31 and 36. As buying dries out, they put the product on sale. But you'll notice that as soon as they get to where they took the old stops and the old previous day's high, you'll see responsive buying. That's why currently what we'd do is we'd watch this S period to see if it can take that R low and then trade where they took the stops, about 3 hours ago. You see, that was the old overnight high. It was a poor high. And when we took that, we have folks, unfortunately, who shorted down here, and definitely those who shorted down here at the end of the day. Those people who don't watch the last hour of trading, a lot of people don't, and they mark the close at 4 o'clock Eastern. I mark it at 5 Eastern, so I know where they put the goodies after the market. So you see that run up, you see a buy-in up here of 17,000 contracts, and then Globex or the night market gets short because all the trading's underneath the close. Everybody thinks it's long because they mark the close here. They're shorting it, adding fuel to the fire. And now that creates this nice move up that allows anyone who was the smart money to be long under 29 to be selling size above 29, right? It's just commerce, right? Anyway, that's how markets work. That's how gaps are created. They're created when shorts get stuck and provide responsive buying, right? Remember, a short seller is always a future buyer because they have to close the transaction by buying back their position to cover. So they're bid to cover here and they'll be bid to cover here. Now, overnight inventory will start to get long when the point of controls move higher and value shifts higher, right? Right now we're distributing. This is that back and forth sideways motion, and then you go into the distribution for profit, right? So when the market opens today, if we open on a gap and we can't get down to that previous day's high, remember we got rotation and there's going to be a lot of stops above the high of 2 days ago. So be careful. Should be a wild and woolly one. OPEX today too. Trade smart, trade defensive, and make sure you keep the money you made this week. If you want to learn how to trade structure and how it can improve your life, come see us at microefutures.com. I'm JJ. Have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for being with us. Bye for now.